Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to show with you one website. You can claim your free Litecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on the website, and let's get started. This is the website. You can claim this much Litecoin every minute from here. First of all, copy your Litecoin wallet address and come here, paste it. And after that you come here and click login. It's too easy, not too hard. Just solve the captcha step by step. Okay, this is the first one, the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one, and just solve this captcha. Okay, and after that just click verify captcha. Wait few seconds. Now you show you a sponsor link. It's mean a short link. Just click to visit a short link. Okay, wait few seconds to show you a short link. Okay, this short link have a 3 part. Every part have a 50 seconds, not too much. And after 50 seconds to show you a continue button, just click continue. I pause the video, and after 3 part I come back. Okay guys, and this is that's it. I click the get link, and you can see I receive my Satoshi. And I tell you one thing, every time you come here claim, show you a different short link. Okay, every time you claim, show you a different short links. If you have a much more power to solve a short links, you can make much more amount of Litecoin from here. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. And if you can solve a short links, just go back and come in this page and click sponsor link again, and you can show you another short link. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.